Hi, good morning everybody. How are you? I hope all are fine. Okay. How was your study level? Did you study everything? Can you follow my class? Okay. We completed one geography chapter, one history. But today we want to discuss politics. Politics first chapter. Okay. Can you heard about politics? I think it's very familiar word politics. What is the meaning of politics? Malayalam word of politics. രാഷ്ട്രീയം അല്ലേ? നമ്മുടെ രാഷ്ട്രത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് കൺട്രീനെ കുറിച്ചൊക്കെ അറിയുന്ന എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, വി വാണ്ട് ടു study something related to our country. Okay, listen. What is the speciality of India? Yes, it is a vast country. It's a vast population. Listen, vast country ആണ്. All region are same? No, different region. Okay, different state. Each state have their own culture, okay, their own beliefs. Everything is different, but generally we say unity in diversity. Okay. At the same time, we know that here is the surroundings. There are also some changes. There are different things. Different kinds. That means not all same. There is some difference. Okay. That means there is a diversity. So we want to discuss diversity, or we want to understanding what is diversity. So what is our first chapter? Understanding diversity. Our first chapter name, Understanding Diversity. Our first chapter name, Understanding Diversity. Okay, listen. Then all of you look at textbook. What is diversity? What is our first topic? What is diversity? Okay, our history, there is a first chapter, introduction to history. What is history? Same as here. What is diversity? Okay, listen. When you look around, you notice that nature offers variety in our surroundings. In our surroundings, our nature offers the variety of things. All are same? No, different. You see several types of plants, trees, flowers, birds, animals, as well as human beings. Several types of plants, several types of flowers, several types of birds, different types of fruits, then different types of animals. Okay, everything is different. Then you see different colors and also hear different sounds. Okay, we can hear different sounds. Okay, then all of you listen carefully. Can you hear one sound, crow sound? Okay, at the same time my sound also. Then maybe here is one vehicle passes. Okay, that's a sound. That means a different sound. Everything is different. Then nature behaves differently at different types. Then the season changes. Sometimes it rains. The oceans, rivers and lakes look different at different. Everything is different. Season also change. Okay, for example, rainy season, summer season, winter season, different types of a season. Then here is ocean, the water level of ocean, that changed. Maybe our rivers dried up. Then other time we can see the flow of water. Okay, everything is changed. Then it is this variety in nature that makes our world such an interesting place. Our world make an interesting place. What is the reason behind it? Such differences. All are same. എല്ലാം ഒരുപോലെ. ഇവിടുത്തെ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സൊക്കെ only one item. Okay, everything is same. Then only one, same color, same sound. സെയിം ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീങ്സിനെ എല്ലാവരെയും കണ്ടാലും ഒരേപോലെ തോന്നുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ. നോ, ദർ ഇസ് നോ വെറൈറ്റി. അപ്പോൾ വെറൈറ്റി ഗിവ് അസ് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ അല്ലേ? വെറൈറ്റിയാണ് നമുക്ക് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. ലിസൺ ഹിയർ, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ വെറൈറ്റി ഇൻ നേച്ചർ ദാറ്റ് മേക്സ് അവർ വേൾഡ് സച്ച് ആൻ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് പ്ലേസ്. Variety makes our world an interesting place. The presence of a wide range of qualities or features is called diversity. Underline that. The presence of a wide range of qualities or features, it is called diversity. What is diversity? Here I wrote one question. What is diversity? Okay. What is diversity? Can you say what is the definition of diversity? Yes, you can say. Yeah, the presence of a wide range of qualities or features is called diversity. The presence of a wide range of qualities or features is called diversity. So then we want to discuss the social groups. What is our next topic? Social groups. Firstly, we discussed what is diversity. Then we want to discuss social groups. Like in nature, diversity can be seen in the way people live in the world. Not only difference in nature, the same difference people living in the world. Then, human beings cannot fulfill all their needs on their own. Am I right? We can fulfill all their needs. നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാ നീഡ്സും സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? നോട്ട്. ലിസൺ, they have to depend on others for the fulfillment of their needs. We want to depend others. For what purpose we want to depend others? Fulfill our needs. We want to fulfill our needs. We want to depend others. Then that is why, although everyone is born unique and grows up as different from everyone. Listen, they have to depend on others for the fulfillment of their needs. Human beings depend on others. For what purpose human beings depend on others? Fulfill their needs. They want to satisfy their needs. They want to maintain their needs. Then, that is why, although everyone is born unique and grows up as different from everyone else, each of us is brought up to live together in groups. In other words, we are social beings. Okay, in other words, we can say we are the social beings because we depend each other. We can't fulfill our needs. How? Self. Listen, or we can't fulfill. അല്ലേ, നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് നമ്മളെ നീഡ്സ് ഫുൾഫിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Then the immediate group in which you live is your family. Which is the first group? Family. Okay. It consists of you and your parents, siblings and relatives. Who are included? You and your parents. Then siblings. Siblings means brother, sister. Okay. And also relatives. A group of families either living in the same area or having some common link is known as community. Firstly, first group is the family. Who are included the family? Yes, father, mother, children, grandparents. Here that means you and your parents, siblings and also relatives. It is called a family. Then here A group of families either living in the same area, maybe a group of family either living in the same area, or there is a group of people continue the same process or same thing, or some common link. It is known as community. അല്ലേ, ഒരേ വിശ്വാസം പുലർത്തി ഒരു കൂട്ടം ആളുകൾ ഒന്നിച്ച് താമസിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ദാറ്റ് വി കാൾ എ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി. ഫസ്റ്റ്ലി വി ഡിസ്കസ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഫാമിലി, ദെൻ വി ഡിസ്കസ്ഡ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി. ദെൻ the large group of people living together within the geographical area of a country, then under a common government is known as a nation. But firstly we discuss social groups. Here firstly included family, okay, then we discussed community, then we discussed nation. Okay, firstly family, then community, next one is the nation. Okay, what is nation? The large group of people living together within the geographical area of a country under a common government is known as a nation. Under a common government, അല്ലേ, അവർക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും പൊതുവായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഗവൺമെൻറ്, ഒരു റൂളർ ഉണ്ട്, ലാർജ് ജോഗ്രഫിക്കൽ ഏരിയയിൽ ഒന്നിച്ച് താമസിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കാൾഡ് നാഷൻ. ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ വാട്ട് ഈസ് നാഷൻ? ദാറ്റ് ഓൾസോ വാണ്ട് ടു അണ്ടർലൈൻ. Family, community and nation are the different types of social groups. What are the different types of social groups? Family, community and nation. Listen here. What are the different types of social groups? Family, then community and nation. Social groups are different, although the members of every social group may have many things in common. Social groups are diverse. Or social groups are diverse, although the members of every social group may have many things in common. Social groups diverse ആണ്, പക്ഷേ members of every social groups may have many things in common. സോഷ്യൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്സിലെ മെമ്പേഴ്സിൽ പല കാര്യങ്ങളിലും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരിക്കും. സോഷ്യൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഡൈവേഴ്സ് ആണ്, ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഫാമിലി, കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി, നാഷൻ, ദീസ് ആർ ഇൻക്ലൂഡഡ് ഇൻ ദ സോഷ്യൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്, ബട്ട് ദർ ഇസ് സം സിമിലാരിറ്റി. ഓക്കെ, then another topic, can people who are different be friends? If you look around in your classroom, you will see that no one looks exactly like anyone else. Am I right? അല്ലേ, നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ് റൂമിൽ ഒബ്സർവ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ യു ജസ്റ്റ് ലുക്ക് യുവർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഓൾ ആർ സെയിം ഫേസ്, സെയിം. നോ, ദർ ഇസ് സം ചേഞ്ചസ്, ദാറ്റ്സ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ്. It is likely that there would also be differences in your classmates' food habits. അല്ലേ, ഫസ്റ്റ് പറഞ്ഞു അപ്പിയറൻസ്, ലുക്കിംഗ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ്. ദെൻ ഫുഡ് ഹാബിറ്റ്സ് ഓൾസോ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള അതേ ഫുഡ് തന്നെയാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനും ഇഷ്ടമുള്ളത്? നോ, ദർ ഇസ് സം ചേഞ്ചസ്. ഒരു ഫാമിലിയിൽ തന്നെ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ തന്നെ എന്തായിരിക്കും, ചേഞ്ചസ് ഉണ്ടാവാറുണ്ട്. പിന്നെയുണ്ടോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനിടയിൽ? നോ, ദർ ഓൾസോ സം ഡിഫറൻസസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ the classmates' food habits, the languages they speak and their religion. Okay, you just observe your classroom. We can see many differences. Firstly, in case of food habit, there is different opinion. Then different religious people sit together, and also there is a different languages. They speak different languages. Then, however, despite these differences, some of them may be close friends. However, listen, however, despite these differences, ഈ ഡിഫറൻസസ് ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ അവോയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിലും മേ ബി വി ആർ ദ ക്ലോസ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് ബിക്കോസ് ദേ മേ ഹാവ് കോമൺ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ റീസൺ ബിഹൈൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്? ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് റിലീജിയൻ, ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ലാംഗ്വേജ്, different food habit, but they are close friends. Somebody close friends. What is the reason behind it? Because there is some similarity, there is some common factors. അവർക്ക് രണ്ട് പേർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ചില കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ടായിരിക്കും. വ്യത്യസ്ത മതമായിക്കോട്ടെ, ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ലാംഗ്വേജ് ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഫുഡ് ഹാബിറ്റ് ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ലുക്ക് ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് അപ്പിയറൻസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ പ്രോബ്ലം. ബട്ട് ദർ ഇസ് സം സിമിലാരിറ്റി. ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ അവരുടെ ക്യാരക്ടറിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു സിമിലാരിറ്റി ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട മറ്റൊരു ഫാക്ടർ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ റീസൺ ബിഹൈൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്. ദേ ആർ ദ ക്ലോസ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ദിസ് ഈസ് ബിക്കോസ് ദേ മേ ഹാവ് കോമൺ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് like playing or watching some sport, listening to music or reading books. എന്തൊക്കെയായിരിക്കും ചിലപ്പോൾ അവർക്ക് കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്? മേ ബി വാച്ചിങ് TV program, then watching sports, then listening to music, then playing, etc. Therefore, even if people are different from one another, they can still find reasons to be friends. People are different, all are not same, but there is some common interest. That common interest connect or there create some relationship like friendship. Then do you not enjoy sharing food from your friend's lunchbox, and is it not fun to pick up some of the word from the different languages that your friends speak at home? In fact, diversity in language, food habits, etc. shows that we do many things that are similar, only we do them in different ways. It brings variety into our lives. Okay, food sharing, or we just imitate their language. Okay, but there is a sharing something. Okay, എല്ലാവരും ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, ബട്ട് വി സെലക്ട് ഫ്രണ്ടായിട്ട് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അങ്ങനെ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ ഫുഡ് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ചിലപ്പോൾ അവരുടെ ലാംഗ്വേജിൽ നിന്ന് ചില വേർഡ്സുകൾ അട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വി യൂസ് ദാറ്റ് വേർഡ്സ്. ദാറ്റ് ഓൾസോ കോമൺ ഹിയർ. How many of you know the story of Krishna and Sudama? The story of Krishna and Sudama, you know that story? It is a story of two boys who were very different from each other. Who are the characteristics? Here is Krishna and Sudama. While Krishna a rich boy, Sudama was very poor. Krishna very rich boy, Sudama very poor. Krishna dressed in fine clothes, brought tasty sweets to eat, and was the leader of the group. He was the leader of the group. He wore rich clothes, that means very highest, like here is the fine clothes, that means expensive clothes, and also he ate tasty sweets. Sudama wore a plain dhoti. Dhoti means mundan. Sudama wore a plain dhoti, ate sattu, that is the ground gram, we say in Malayalam nilakadala. Then and was a quiet boy, shandanayittulla poor boy. Okay, dressing style with simple, use dhoti. Yet the two were very good friends and remained so forever. Here is listen, here is one example in case of Krishna and Sudama. Their dressing style different, their food habits different, everything is different, but they are close friends. What is the reason behind it? Because there is some common interest. Because there is some common interest, that interest create, there is friendship. Is it clear? Same as in case of yours. Okay, is it clear? Now we are discussing diversity. Our topic or chapter name, understanding diversity. Firstly, we discuss what is diversity and also social groups. Here is a social groups, that is mainly family, community and nation. Okay, family, we know that there is included you and your parents, siblings and also relatives, it is called family. Then community, we know that there is a group of families either living in the same area or having some common links is known as a community. Then we discussed nation, the large group of people living together within the geographical area of a country under a common government is known as a nation. Then we discussed, can people who are different be friends? We know that here is a different people have different food habit, different clothing, then different language, everything is different, but there is some common interest. This common interest very helpful to create, there is a relationship like a friendship, etc. Okay, then diversity and interdependence. What is the next one? Diversity and interdependence. Okay, Just a minute. Before discussing the diversity and interdependence, again I want to say one thing. You want to read your textbook regularly, minimum 3 times, and also want to study the important things. Today we underlined something. The first one is the definition of diversity, that is the presence of a wide range of qualities or features is called diversity. Then we discussed social groups. There is mainly 3 social groups that also underlined. That is the family, community and nation. And also what is family, what is community, what is nation, that also underlined. Okay, you want to study these question answers. It's very important. Okay. Regular reading, that only the solution for maintaining this subject. Okay. For regular reading, that is very, very important. So you want to read very carefully. At the same time, you want to study the important things. Each day, each class, we want to discuss the important things. I already given some instructions. You want to follow my instructions, otherwise you have no improvement. Okay, to be continued on next class. Thank you, children.